Hi guys, today we're going to be reviewing the Gold Presidential Link Nibosi watch. I have done the review on the Nibosi watch with the black dial face as well as the gold dial face. Today we're reviewing the red dial face. So in the Nibosi watch box you have one international guarantee card. This is your instruction manual. Ensure to read this, guys, to adjust and operate your watch accordingly. One cleaning cloth, shine and clean, to shine your watch. This is the Nibosi watch. That's one link adjuster, and that's all that's in the box. So this is the exact same watch as the black dial face and gold dial face. As you can see, it has the round gold trimmings. On your top you have your day, on the right hand side you have the date. The dial face is red in color. This looks absolutely elegant in a red dial face, guys. As you can see, the presidential links. That's your butterfly clasp. The links are presidential. And you can see the red dial face there. This watch looks stunning, guys. I know it's the same watch as the other Nibosis that I've done reviews on, but the red dial face in the back makes it look very elegant and very exquisite. So let's try it on, see how it looks. And that's how it looks, guys. Very elegant and very smart. It has a good weight to it as well. It's very comfortable on the wrist. Please like and subscribe to my channel. This is your link remover. It's very simple to use. You just pop that tool into the link on the side that has a solid link.